Happy Friday. You know, we've all heard the old adage, practice what you preach, but what does that mean to a facial plastic surgeon? Well, there was a recent survey that shed some light on this. So what we had previously known was that anywhere between 4 and 10% of society will undergo a cosmetic injection procedure, things like Botox or filler. When you actually talk to the surgeons, that number goes up to 75%, and I'll admit I'm some of that. I have actually had procedures done myself. I've had a little bit of filler in my mid-face just to restore some of the volume that I typically lose and that we all lose with aging. When you actually investigate the surgery side, we know that about 1% of the society will undergo a cosmetic procedure, whereas in the surgeons, that number jumps to 34%. The most common of which is rhinoplasty, followed by upper eyelid surgery, and then lower lid surgery. So it begs the question, well, why is it that it's so popular among surgeons? So the first is obviously because we have access to it. Here we are in the recovery area. It's something that we can do very easily. It's also because we have knowledge though, and we know that these things are safe. We know that they deliver on what they're expected to do. We know that they give long-lasting natural results. And finally, we know that the anesthesia is safe and is better than it's ever been before. So the likelihood of getting sick or having an adverse anesthesia reaction is as low as it's ever been. So if you're considering a cosmetic procedure, it might be time for you to practice some of the things that we are practicing